Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a GIF with your pictures. As I do a lot of these before and after, probably could help you in your photography to share your pictures before and after to your clients. I don't know, but I'm gonna share how I do it. So what I'm gonna do first is very easy. We're just going to first I'm going to resize this. So I'm gonna open the image size and I'm going to add here the size probably around 1/800. Click OK. So we resize that one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the other one that I have that before, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to image size. I'm going to write 1800. Click OK. And now that you have the both image resized, you're going to add it in the top of your image that you edited. So you have here the two images. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to probably expand the size a little more just to match here. Double click. It's going to put it this way right here. Let's see where she there. So I'm just going to do it probably around here. It have to be perfect to see where I'm gonna. Okay, so we can crop this area, no problem. So we have the before and after. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna convert this to a smart subject. Okay, so I'm going to move this here and over here. So what we're gonna do, now that they both are smart subjects, I'm gonna crop these before. I'm gonna crop here so it doesn't look weird when we do that change. I'm gonna click the first layer and I'm going to just not click this one, just leave it like that. And we're gonna go to Window and Tool Timeline. So you're gonna have this window right here. Okay, we're going to create a frame animation. So we click one time and then you're gonna see your picture right here, right? So the only thing you're going to do here is duplicate and click up again your layer, so you have 1 and 2, right? Remember what I did before? I unselected, duplicate, and then selected again. And now you'll see here, this is the seconds and the time that you're going to use for change the picture to another. Depends how many seconds. So usually are those the they have for default, but I'm gonna put another and I'm just gonna add 3 seconds in each one. Same here. I'm gonna put other. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go 3. Now you click here and you play it, and you're gonna see the before and the after. Before and after. After you're done, just leave it like this. Don't do anything. You're just going to save it. Go to File, export and save for web legacy. And from here, what you're gonna see, you have different options here: GPG, PNG, PNG 24, and this one you're gonna click in GIF. So this is what we need to do. You're gonna click transparency. You're going to Loping Forever. This is our size. This is the internet RGB no color management. This is just about it, or how you need to save it. And then you're gonna click save and just put it in a folder. I'm gonna put in the desktop folder. I'm gonna name it and save. And that's it. That's all that you need to do. Now you can just open the file and share it whatever you want it, and it's gonna show you like you see here, before and after. So it's just something simple I want to share with you guys. I hope to help you. You probably can do it in your own pictures for your clients or whatever. Just I want to share this with you. Okay, thank you. See you next time.